Hey guys, it's Patrick Johnston, GoDominicanLife.com, your real estate company here in Las Terrenas. Listen, I'm here with Alex. We've known each other for about 10 years. The minute I got here in Las Terrenas, we've been connected ever since. But it's not about me. It's all about Alex. Because you know what? Monday, which is only a couple days from now, is his birthday. And we're going to have a party with Lucien as the DJ for that night. Super specials. Super drink specials, fun starting from 5 o'clock for sunset party and on. What are we gonna do for food and drink?
Well, we have special mojitos, we have shots for very good price, and a very, very big grill with different pinchos. We're gonna have hamburger, we're gonna have the best ceviche for this day.
And it's his 48th birthday, so everything ends in 48.
Yes.
And it all starts as rum shots between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. for 48 pesos.
Yes, baby.
If you can find a 48 peso shot here at the beach, let me know. But so get here early because the prices go up as the evening goes up. So let's go. We're gonna have fun. It's Alex's birthday. 48 only happens once. It's time to go. You're not doing anything on Monday anyway.
Came here.
And it's all about him. Come on, support us. Come on, let's go. See you here on Monday night. Bring people with you.
That's nice. Perfect.